What is up, everybody? Welcome to the video and welcome to Huntington Beach, California. And right behind me is the DMC DeLorean factory, and we're here today to have a tour of the facility, and I can't wait. It's gonna be amazing. Apparently there's a ton of Back to the Future stuff in there. I don't even know what to expect, but it's gonna be a good one. Okay, you ready? Let's go.
This is the shop. We have usually 3 bays going on at any one time. Basically 2 mechanics and me, which I can have a mechanic and have in the office. But we get everything here. We get something.
We are feeling very privileged today because we're actually allowed to film inside the actual workshop, so that's pretty amazing. I haven't been in a workshop for a very long time. For those who don't know, I used to be a mechanic. I wouldn't say I was a good mechanic, but I worked in a shop for many years, so all the familiar smells and everything, it's a bit of a trip down memory lane for me. But to work for DeLorean, I think that would have been a pretty good job. So my mate was telling me that this is the original DeLorean sign from the original location that they had. So I'm told this is an original DeLorean barbecue. Apparently has only got 1 gull wing, which I think is this one. Stupid. So this is Eric. You know Eric. He's
hey, what's up, guys?
All over my videos.
Every video.
Every video.
Yeah.
I feel like we've come such a long way since the Enchantment of the Sea Dance. I think it was 2 years ago.
I think that was 3 years.
3 years ago.
Yeah, it was 22. They were in 25. 3 years ago.
Crazy.
Yeah.
And thanks to him, I'm here once again. And we're in the junkyard part of the DeLorean.
Check out these doors.
Do they make?
Like 15 doors right here.
Have these been salvaged from older vehicles?
Older vehicles.
Yeah.
Or, I know that in Ireland they closed shop and they still had a ton of parts, and someone bought them all and they still have them.
Oh shoot!
And that kind of looks like it like on fire or something.
Yeah.
What did you say?
It's always sad to see the shells of these amazing cars. Some old blocks. Well, that was it, just a little quickie. There wasn't really that much to see and to go in depth about. It was just a bit of a quick tour around the small workshop that they had, which was really neat to see. Thanks for joining me on another slight Back to the Future adventure. And if you haven't already, slap the like button, tickle the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. People must think I'm crazy for everything's Back to the Future, but I love it, mate. Who cares? Behave yourself.